Hello, my name is Ava Guerra. I am in Bio 107, Section 502, and today I'm going to be talking about the squid. So we dissected squids last week in lab, and so we really looked into the internal anatomy, but today I'm going to be diving deeper into the external traits of the squid, how it interacts with other organisms, and the ecosystem it lives in. So this is the squid. You can see some pictures from this lab. So the squid is an invertebrate in the cephalopod. It has bilateral symmetry, meaning if you cut it in half, you can see that kind of in the bottom picture. If you cut it in half, it'll be the same on both sides. This is different from radial symmetry, which says that if you cut it on any which way, it will be the same any which way. This is just in halves. It has a prominent head and arms, which are tentacles, which were derived from the molluscan foot. So the squid's common name was the squid, and the scientific name is the toothida. So we use scientific names to help scientists go further into the species and explain it in a more scientific notation. So the natural habitat, so most squids live in saltwater. The larger sized squids live in the deeper parts of the ocean, while the one we dissected would most likely be found in shallow parts of the ocean, scattered throughout different oceans. So this doesn't hang out necessarily in just the Atlantic or just the Pacific. It is scattered throughout the ocean. So the squid's mouth is found at the base of the mantle. It can be described kind of like a parrot beak. Squid grab fish, crustaceans, and even other squid with their tentacles. They grab the prey with their tentacle and align it with their mouth. Then they use 8 legs to hold the prey, and as they eat it, they hold it still. Their arms have suction cups on them called suckers, and these are circular and in rows on each tentacle. So predator-prey relationships, squids are relatively high in the food chain, with their only predators being seals, whales, and humans. Their prey include other fish, crabs, and shrimp, and some squid even eat other squids. So evolved traits, the feet of mollusks evolved into tentacles for the squid. So mollusks have a foot and a mantle, and the foot evolved first into 5 tentacles and then into 8 we know them for today. These tentacles are essential to their survival, helping them swim, hunt, and grab the materials they need to survive. Along with these tentacles, they have the suckers, which helps them to grab onto food better. Some squid have the ability to change color using chromatophores, which help them camouflage from any predators they might encounter. So these are pictures of the tentacles and the chromatophores in more detail. So you can see their suckers and their membranes and the pigment stored in the chromatophores. So classification, squids are in phylum Mollusca in the cephalopod category. And they play an important role in the ocean ecosystem as they are food sources for whales. Their ability to travel through the water using their jet propellers spread nutrients throughout the water, further helping the environment. So that is all about squids. So these are the sources that I used. I used mostly free photos off of just a free website. And then the rest I used National Geographic. So I hope you learned more about the squid and have a great day.